Hello students, I am Hari Krishnan from Bharadasana Metric High Science School, Kavari Pakam, 6th standard Mathematics. Today we are going to the topic for whole numbers. Whole numbers. What do you mean by number? A number is a numerical value. Number is a numerical value. So today we are going to the topic for whole numbers. The first one, natural and whole numbers. Natural number means counting numbers. Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. These are the counting numbers. So counting numbers are called natural numbers. Whole numbers means natural numbers and 0. Natural numbers and 0. So counting number start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the whole numbers. Next one, natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Least value of counting natural numbers is 1. Least value of a natural number is 1. Least value of a whole number is 0. Least value of a natural number is 1. Next one, least value of a whole number is 0. Next one, properties of whole numbers. The first property is commutative property. First one, the sum or product. The sum or product of two natural numbers will not change even if the position are interchanged. Listen, the sum or product of two numbers will not change even if the positions are interchanged. Example, 13 plus 5, we get 18. Interchange these two numbers, 5 plus 13, we get 18 only. 13 plus 5, we get 18. These two numbers interchange. 5 plus 13, we get 18 only. There is no change. Next, this is for addition. Next one, multiplication. 6 into 12, we get 6 into 2, we get 12. And interchange these two numbers. 2 into 6. 6 into 2, we get 12. Next one, 2 into 6, we get 12. These two numbers interchange. 6 into 2, we get 12. 2 into 6, we get 12 only. So there is no change. This is multiplication. Next one, division. Division 4 by 2, we get equal to 2. Interchange these two numbers. 4 by 2, we get 2 only. 2 by 4 equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are. We get 1 by 2. 2, 1 by 2. 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. So division is not possible for commutative property. Addition and multiplication only possible. Division and subtraction is not possible. Subtraction, 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Interchange these two numbers. 3 minus 6. 6 minus 3, we get 3 only. Highest number is 6. That sign is minus. So minus 3. 3 not equal to minus 3. So commutative property, addition and multiplications are possible. And division and subtraction is not possible. Next one, associative property. First one, addition. A plus bracket of B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Listen, take any three number 1, 2, 3. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Substitute the value. A value 1, 1 plus B equal to 2, 2 plus 3 equal to, next A plus B. So 1 plus 2 plus C, C equal to 3. 1, 2 plus 3 we get 5, 5 plus 1 equal to 6 equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS means left hand side. RHS right hand side. LHS means left hand side. RHS equal to right hand side. Listen one more time. Associative property for addition. We take any three number 1, 2, 3. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Property A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. A value 1 plus B plus C. So 2 plus 3 equal to A plus B. A plus B means 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 we get 5. 5 plus 1 6. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 we get 6 only. So LHS equal to RHS. So associative property of addition is wholes are satisfied. Next one, multiplication. Same number 1 into B into C. Here multiplication, here addition. So multiplication means multiple. 2 into 3 equal to A into B. So 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 3s are 6. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So addition was next one, multiplication also satisfied. Next, subtraction. 1 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3. 1 minus 2 minus 3 we get minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1 minus 3. 1 minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 1 equal to minus 1 minus 3. So same sign, add. 1 plus 3 we get 4. 2 equal to minus 4. This is not equal. So LHS not equal to RHS. So subtraction is not satisfied. Next, division. 5 divided by 10 divided by 2. 5 divided by 10 divided by 2 we get 5. So 5 divided by 5 we get 1 only. Next one, 5 divided by 10, this divided by 2. 5 divided by 10 we get 1 by 2. Divided by 2 we get 1 by 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. So division is not was. In associative property, addition and multiplication satisfied. Subtraction and division is not possible or not satisfied. Next one, distributive property of multiplication. First one, A into B plus C equal to A into B. A into B. Next one, A into C equal to A into C. Next one, A into B minus A into C. Example, we take any three number 4, 3, 2. A equal to 4. So 4 into 3, B plus C. So 3 plus 2 equal to A into B. So 4 into 3 plus 4 into A into C means 4 into 2. Listen, 4 into 3 plus 2 we get 5 equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20 equal to 12 plus 8 we get 20. So LHS equal to RHS. Listen one more time, A into B plus C. So A into B plus A into C. Three numbers 4, 3, 2. A equal to 4, B equal to 3, C equal to 2. So 4 into 3 plus 2 equal to 4 into 3. 4 into 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 3 plus 2 we get 5. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 12 plus 8 we get 20. 20 equal to 20. LHS equal to RHS. Next one, distributive property of multiplication. Here minus, subtraction. Here addition, here subtraction. Same number 4 into 3 minus 2 equal to 4 into 3. A into B means 4 into 3 minus 4 into 2. 4 into 3 minus 2 we get 1 equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4 equal to 12 minus 8 we get 4. 4 equal to 4. LHS equal to RHS. Next one, additive identity property. When 0 is added to any number, the sum is the original number. Example, 13 plus 0. We get 13 only. Same number. Next one, minus 7 plus 0. We get minus 7 only. Listen, 0 is the identity element of addition. Next one, multiplication rule. When any number is multiple by 1. Any number 4 into 1 we get 4 only. Minus 6 into 1 we get minus 6 only. Take any variable. A into 1 equal to A minus B into 1 equal to minus B only. So we get same number. So 1 is the identity element of multiplication. 0 is the identity element of addition. Next exercise 1.5. Fill in the blanks. The difference between smallest to natural number. Listen. Smallest natural number is what? 1 minus and the smallest whole number. Smallest whole number is 0. So 1 minus 0 we get 1 only. Next one. This is the property of distributive. Seventeen. Here having 34. So this is 34. interchange these two number multiplication. 17 into 34 equal to 34 into 17 only. This is the property for distributive. Next one, when dash is added to a number, it's remain the same. So when 0, identity element of addition. Example, 1 plus 0 we get 1 only. So 0. Division by dash is not defined. Division by 0. Any value divided by 0 we get infinite. Infinite means not defined. Next one, multiplication by dash leaves a number unchanged. So multiple by 1. 1 into 1 we get 1 only. 5 into 1 equal to 5 only. So multiplication by 1. Next, true or false. 0 is the identity element of multiplication. So identity element of multiplication is 1. Here given 0. This is false. Next, sum of two whole numbers is always less than the product. 2 plus 3 we get 5. Same time 2 into 3 equal to 6. So multiplication is greater value. This is true. Next one, both addition multiplication are associative for whole numbers. This is true. Both addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. This is also true. Multiplication is distributive over addition for whole numbers. This is also true. Next one, property name. 7 plus 34 equal to 34 plus 7. This property name, 75 plus 34 equal to 34 plus 75. Addition, this property name is commutative property for addition. 75 plus 34 equal to 34 plus 75. The numbers are interchanged. We get same value only. So commutative property for addition. Next one, 12 into 4 into 8 equal to 12 into 4 into 8. This is associative property. Next one, 15 plus 0. 0 is the additive identity. So identity element of identity for addition. 15 into 1. So here having 1. Identity for multiplication. Last one, 50 into 42 equal to 50 into 40 into 50 into 2. Listen, 50, 42. We can change it. 40 plus 2. Multiple. 50 into 40, 50 into 2. So 50 into 40 plus 50 into 2. This property name is distributive. Last one, simplify. 500 into 689 minus 500 into 89. Here common number 500. So take out this 500, remaining 689. A sign is negative, so minus 89. 500 into 689 minus 89, we get 600. Listen, 40. Here 20, here also 20, 40. 5 6 are 30. So we get 3 lakhs. Second one, 4 into, change it, 4 into 25 into 132. 4 into 25 we get 100 into 132. 132 into 100, 13,200. Listen, this property name is distributive property. This is for associative property. This is distributive. Listen one more time. 500 into 689 minus 500 into 89. Here common number is 500. Take out. Remaining 689 minus 89. 500. 689 minus 89 we get 600. 40. 5 6 are 30. So answer is 3 lakhs. This property name is distributive property. Second one, associative property. 4 into 25 into 132. Property A into B into C equal to A into B into C. This is associative property for multiplication. So 4 into 25 we get 100. 100 into 132 we get 13,200. Thank you.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதர் யூகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லேயும் சரி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும்